In today's guide video, let me show you how to fix Messenger connecting problem. If you're also having this issue when you open up your Messenger and it says it is connecting and you cannot use your Messenger or send messages on this platform. Now this mainly happens due to glitches. So the first way that you can try to solve this issue is try to update your Messenger app. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and search for Messenger. If there are any new updates, you can update your Messenger app. Updating apps helps to clear out any bugs or glitches which may be causing the issue. Once you updated your app, check if this fixes the issue. If it does not, the second thing that you can do is clear the data of your Messenger. If you're on an Android, you can just tap and hold the app and tap on app info. If you're using an iOS, you need to offload your Messenger app. Through this section, just tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Clearing the data will log you out of your Messenger app, so you need to log into it again and again try to see if this fixes the issue. If it still does not fix the issue, the last thing that you can do is uninstall Messenger from your device. So just uninstall the app and again re-download the application and again try logging into your account. This is one of the best ways of clearing out glitches if that is something that you're dealing with. Once you do these couple of steps, your problem of Messenger connection or Messenger connecting should be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you in more tutorials videos just like this. Thanks for watching.